Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing this starter, this 2010 Subaru, what is it?
Impreza.
What is it?
2.5i premium hatchback.
2.5 premium hatchback. It's not my car, it's Contours. So, luckily for this one, I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, no, nothing's simple. But the starter is located about right there. What seems to be the problem is it's slowly starting to break down and become a defect. When he cranks it every once in a while, it'll be like a high, like scream and whine, and then once he releases, it engages the flywheel and we're good to go. It fires up. But the thing is he doesn't want to keep testing its limits and buttons here, so we're gonna remove it. We'll put it in a new one and call it a day. So like I said, pretty simple right up on top here. Usually it's held in by 2 bolts. Let's see here, 1, 2 bolts, and then you got the bolts right here in the back that go to the battery here for the source of the ignition. And I mean, that's pretty much it. You pop it out, you pop the new one back in. So I mean, what we're doing is now we're gonna start to make it a little bit easier for us. We're gonna take off the air box here, 2 bolts here, 10 millimeters. We'll do the flathead here for the snorkel, and then we'll just remove it. We kind of have all this wiring and this plastic here probably for the evap system, so we're not going to remove any of that stuff. What we're going to do is probably just pick it up and move it this way a little bit. Don't want to disconnect any of that. We don't want any check engine lights come on, anything like that. So we're just going to get to it and start it and chip away little by little, and I don't think this is going to take long. I want to say maybe like 45 minutes tops, if that. All right, let's do this. Oh shit!
I was wondering why I was taking so long.
Look how long this bolt is. Holy crap! That goes way in, huh? Oh shit. That's really long. What do you think, Contour?
Put it, before you drop it, put it down, please. I'm not fucking trying to find that in the engine bay.
Alright, now that's one right here on the top, and the one down the bottom is actually, it's pretty much dead center underneath, maybe just a little bit off. And that's going to be the pain in the ass one. There's always one. One's easy, one's hard to get to. That one was a 14 on top. You had to remove the ground wire, which was a 12 millimeter. Make sure you remove that because you don't want to fucking pinch it into here, the ground wire, wherever it went. It was pretty easy to get out after you got some stuff out of the way. The bottom bolt you had to go underneath to get, which kind of a pain, but we were able to break it free with a breaker bar. A normal ratchet could not do it. And then these little buggers here, this one to get it off of the power line, and then this ground wire right here was a little bit of a pain in the butt to get off, but we got it off. Give a little tap, 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 broke it free of the bond that was against it. And now we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna slide it right back on in and hope for the best, right? Alright, tighten those bolts down, these 2 bolts, and we're gonna make it a little bit easier. We know how we're putting it all together here. We're gonna put this connection on. I'd say let's put it on, but I can't do that. Alright, so pop that back on. That's on, that's on. We're missing that one connection. We're gonna go ahead and put this back on down here. Spin her around. Alright. Put her in her hole there. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, yes. No. That didn't work. Where's the hole, huh? Jeez Louise. There she is. Alright. Put Freakazoid bolt back in. Holy crap. A lot of working room in this, huh? There she is. Make sure you disconnect the battery terminals before you go ahead and you wander on into the starting system. So since we're here, I always felt that these Velcro pads here did a pretty good job with the corrosion. I'm gonna go ahead, put those down bottom. I have to go ahead and connect that, get a little of this what is it, battery corrosion preventative, and just go hammer time. Alright, now that that's all said and done, now there's only one thing left to do is see if it fires right on up. Oh. Grab the keys. Alright. Let's see.
Battery does that.
And is that pretty much simple? Go ahead. I mean, anyone can do this. This is really easy. It's right on top. And honestly, fires up pretty quick. So, alright guys, that's pretty much it. It's easy to do it for this vehicle. It's right on top. The other ones, like for instance, like my SUVs that I had and all my trucks that I had, it's all right up underneath, right next to the bell housing, and it's completely covered in crud and rusted, and it's a pain in the butt. This thing was pretty good. It's up on top, out of the the rust and the salt and all that stuff, the water, and it came out pretty good. So I kind of like that design, but you can't always get what you want, unfortunately. So guys, that is it. Stay tuned for further more content. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'm going to catch you on the next video.